Oh, yeah, he's got more for me to tell you about. The birds and the bees, here and there. See, sex is not a sin. However, you can commit a sin with sex. If you rape someone, or if you have sex outside your marriage, those are sins. If you have sex when you're not married, that is a minor one. The other two are majors. The whole meaning behind sex is the connection of a husband and wife. When they're married, they're joined by God. So, here's the way it works on the other side. You don't have those organs. They aren't on that avatar. However, the best parts of sex are still there. The way it works is you and your wife or your husband essentially put foreheads together. This is the physical aspect of it. And mentally, all the sensations of the best sex you ever had with her or him surface in you. There's no flopping of bodies or anything like that. You stand perfectly still physically, but in your mind, you have every pleasure that ever was with it. And it usually don't take that long because you can't handle that much. One or the other has to break away. But with that being said, it is always done in private, here and there, and it should never be taped. You can't tape it over there. It is what it is. It is certainly not the meaning of life. It's how we, as his children, make more children. There are many husbands and wives in heaven that choose not to do that anymore because it really is just not there. It's not what they want to do. However, it is always available, but it is only available to the husband and the wife that were married here in the nursery. You will never have it otherwise in heaven or the Nexus. I myself, because I am the second son, will never do it on that side. Can't. It won't work with the Jesus and God and me all in one head. Yeah, not gonna happen. Another reason why he wants me to go ahead and have all the fun I can on this side, because it ain't happening over there. And another reason why the porn, because he don't want to help with those ideas. So, but he does understand it's something that children do. And it is part of our programming as avatars. We desire sex. It becomes overwhelming in a lot of cases with some men. But it has to be controlled. We have to think about our soul, not our avatar. And that is why on that side it's not a big deal to give it up, because you don't have that avatar desire anymore. Both on male and female. They just don't desire it. And so, just wanted me to explain the birds and the bees. This side and that side. St. Patrick, Christ II, your second king, his second son, signing off.